In this module, we can learn about moon and other celestial objects. Surface of the moon has many deep holes called craters. There are rocky mountains and flat areas also. Moon, we can see it brightly in the night sky because it reflects the light of the sun. It does not produce light of its own. During the day, sunlight is too bright. So moon, even present in the sky, is not visible, and even if we see it, it is not so bright as it is in the night. The moon is the Earth's natural satellite. A satellite is a body that orbits around a planet. A satellite is a body that orbits around a planet. The word satellite comes from a Latin word which means attendant. There are many natural satellites in the solar system. Scientists call them moon. Craters were formed when meteoroids, comets, and asteroids smashed into the moon's surface at a high speed. The flat areas are called seas or maria. The rocky mountain areas are called highlands. Scientists believe these were formed around 3.5 to 4.5 billion years ago. Asteroids. Asteroids are tiny celestial bodies that revolve around the sun. They are smaller in size than the dwarf planet. These are found orbiting between Mars and Jupiter, forming an asteroid belt. Comets. These are small bodies made of frozen gases, rocks, and dust. When a comet passes close to the sun, the intense heat of the sun heats up the comet, and gases are released. These gases in the comets form a tail that points away from the sun. Meteors. Sometimes we see burning objects falling from the sky. These are called meteors. Meteors are smaller part of asteroids and comets that enter the Earth's atmosphere and burn. They are known as shooting stars. Sometimes meteors do not burn up completely and are called meteorites. These meteorites strike the surface of the Earth, creating craters. The moon takes 27 days to go around the Earth once. The moon can be seen clearly with the help of telescope. Telescope is an instrument that helps us to see far away objects closely and clearly. When seen through a telescope, large pits are seen on the surface of the moon. These are called craters. In the year 1969, July 20th, Neil Armstrong became the first human to have landed and walked on the moon. The moon is a non-luminous heavenly body. We can see the moon because of the sun's light illuminates it. The moon revolves around the earth, which in turn revolves around the sun. As a result, the moon at times comes between the earth and the sun, while other times in the earth comes between the sun and the moon. This change in the position of the moon between the sun and the earth creates the phases of the moon. full moon. The full moon takes place when the moon is on the opposite side of the earth from the sun. The moon usually passes above or below the earth's shadow. Thus, the moon reflects the light of the sun and appears completely illuminated. New moon. New moon takes place when the moon comes between the sun and the earth. During this time, the unlit side of the moon faces the earth, while its illuminated side faces the sun. Therefore, the moon is not seen very clearly from the earth on a new moon night. The different shapes of the moon that we see are called the phases of the moon.